Prince Sebastian cannot be the heir. That is why I have come, Your Majesty. At first, I did not understand it, but it soon began to make sense. Hence, I am here.
Tell the king why you are here. Or is it because the palace is open? Anybody can come here and talk to the king anyhow. If you don't mind, leave us. Leave this place.
Prince Sebastian cannot be the heir.
What? Wait. Who are you? Who are you and what are you doing in this palace? I ask you. How dare you walk into this palace and make such suggestions to the king? How dare you? Now, get up and leave this palace right now. I said leave!
Enough! Enough! Go and be with your mother.
Dad, how can you say...
I said go and be with your mother!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.